So I'm out and I'm walking, right? And as you can see, I'm downtown. My office is downtown. And look what I'm walking by, and I just happened to pass. Oh gosh, I don't think I can have to turn it like this so you can see. Amazing. Look at the boat. Oh my gosh. Can I zoom in here so you guys can really see this? Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Look at that. I don't think I've ever seen the boat just here docked in the night. Look how close I am to that. Amazing. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. So I'm going to turn this way and just literally let you look at that as oh my gosh. If it's just me, or like I am just like, I'm like totally at awe at Daddy's creation. It's amazing. So I'm going to walk in a little bit more because I can. This is my dad's. My dad created this. Isn't that beautiful? And you can see some people that like are still like kind of like on the boat, like driving around. It's very beautiful. And you can even see like some people are parked. It's just really beautiful. So I'm going to come and sit my behind down. And enjoy this. It's beautiful. The last cruise I was on, it was not anything even remotely beautiful to this, but today is Father's Day, and I think this is like the first day that I've ever seen the boat docked this late. I mean, we do have quite a few of them. I think we have the America, we have the Duchess, we have the American Queen, and I think we have two others that are coming here that are going to be really great and awesome to have. As you can see, the entire thing is lit up, and you can slightly even see like the rotators of it. You can see the way that each and every area of the thing is lit up. These boats are very expensive to actually travel on. A lot of the people that travel on these boats are retired, and I mean they cost, I think, like $10,000. It's very expensive. I don't know all the details, but I just had to share this moment with you. Beautiful moment. So let me head back because I particularly don't like being out late. My mom, and she always says, and my grandma, because I'm a traveling missionary and I travel so much. But I guess they didn't know that, but they've always encouraged me to always come home before it gets dark, especially if I'm traveling to different places. When it gets like dusty like this, that's the time I come back in, and I'm very close. My office is very close to here. And I also encourage my ballerina girls the same thing. Travel smart and travel during the daylight time. All right? Mwah.